Welcome back. I said I was going to explain why what we have here is like this. Okay, I said something the other time. I said bar 2, which is the same thing as this. You should take note that this is not the same thing as minus 2. That is, when you have something like minus 2 plus 1, you know this automatically gives you minus 1. But when you have bar 2 plus 1, this cannot give you minus 1. Do you get? So, since we have bar 2 plus 0.89, this is positive. What you have here is positive. Why this is negative? This is bar 2. Do you understand? And then bar 2, let's just have it as notes. Bar 2 plus 0.8974 is the same thing as bar 2.8974. Why minus 2 plus 0.8974 is just like you subtracting this, adding this to this, and when you have this to the minus, this is plus. Whatever answer it gives you becomes okay. It's just not the same thing as minus. It's not the same thing as bar 2.8974. Thank you.